So the next one up is strategic high carb cheating. And of course, this is the most fun one. So when we keep our body in a calorie deficit during the week by timing our meals and pairing our foods properly and using that 10 times our goal body weight mark and hitting adequate protein, right? We'll hit on this in a second. When you do this, because you're consistently in a deficit Monday through Friday and maybe even into Saturday, depending on the plan that you're following, you've down-regulated your BMR. Your basal metabolic rate slows down because you're in a deficit and your body's fighting back. This is called metabolic or dietary adaptation. What this does is it drives down two of your body's primary fat-burning hormones, your leptin and your thyroid hormones. And most people don't understand that thyroid hormones themselves are a glycoprotein. Glyco means glucose. So it's nearly impossible for your body to convert T4 to T3 in the liver, the active form of the thyroid hormones your body's cells can receive and use, and every cell in your body has a receptor for thyroid hormones, is greatly diminished because you're in a calorie deficit. So by having a high carb cheat meal or a cheat day without going off the rails and being silly is going to drive back up that thyroid production. And thyroid hormones do communicate with leptin. Now, both of these hormones help regulate your body weight. They help control your basal metabolic rate, and they also help control your body temperature. And of course, calories are a measure of heat. And your body temperature is a huge factor in helping you consistently keep the scale moving down. So now hopefully you can see how my 3-step hormone reset solution framework can keep your body in a calorie deficit to cut body fat without feeling like you're on a diet. You literally do not have to eliminate any food groups. You can still have carbs. And in fact, when you do it the way that we teach you, we use a carb down day, we use a carb deplete day during the week, and then we use carb up days on the weekends to get control of all the hormones I talked about today. Ghrelin pulses with meal timing, acute releases in growth hormone, getting control of insulin by pairing your foods properly to keep our body in more of a fat-burning environment, and then strategic cheating to get control of thyroid and leptin hormones, because at the end of the day, this is all about what? It's all about adherence and sustainability. It's not a diet, it's an actual lifestyle.